Do we live in an information field? I would say yes, we do. There are 3 points to consider. First is the fine-tuning of our universe is a fluke. Second, it's by design. And third, there are multiverses in which we live in the one that supports our life. To briefly state Rizwan Kirk. 1. MIT physicist Tax Tegmark and British astronomer Martin Rees calculated that if the cosmic seed fluctuation amplitude was approximately 0.002%, varied and became smaller, galaxies would never form. If it was much larger, there would be other difficulties, resulting in a much larger volume of collisions. 2. According to Rees, the ratio of electromagnetic force to the gravitational force between protons is fine-tuned to approximately 10 to the power 36. If it was smaller, then only a small short-lived universe could exist. 3. If protons were just 0.2% heavier, they wouldn't be able to hold onto electrons. 4. If the electromagnetic force was 4% weaker, our sun would immediately explode. If the force was stronger, carbon and oxygen atoms would no longer be stable. 5. The Hoyle state, which is an energy state of the carbon-12 nucleus, has an energy of 7.656 MeV above ground level. If the state's energy were lower than 7.3 or greater than 7.9, there wouldn't be enough carbon to support life as we know it, which includes human beings. 6. Dark energy is what physicists call a force that's causing our universe's expansion rate to accelerate over time. Although we don't know what it is exactly, we can do calculations of it. Its density is the way 10 to the negative 27. Tegmark says that if its density of dark energy could be tuned by a knob from the minimum possible value, 10 to the negative power 97, to the maximum possible value, 10 to the power 97, and you were trying to just find the right value, it would take a Herculean effort to get the value just right. Please put aside the idea of a religious god figure, e.g., the Abrahamic God, which is worshipped by the Christians, Jews, and Muslims. That was a physical being, also known as Yahweh, who occupied this place a long time ago and who was written about. We are talking about an informational field or a simulation of us created by another intelligence. Thank you.